Hi guys, how are you? It's Risa. Thank you for subscribing and continuing to share my recipes with other people and getting aboard my health journey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious and nutritious Matzo Brei for Passover. But honestly, you can enjoy this all year round. You're going to need a slice of matzah, your whatever brand you want. Now they're coming in, I really like it. They have individual packages now, so they stay nice and fresh. Some vanilla, an egg, some milk, just a third cup, whatever kind. I'm using almond milk. I'm putting in some cinnamon sugar if you want it a little bit sweet. That's what I'm making today, but you don't have to. You can do it the way you like to. And I have a little bit of spray butter and then a little bit of some SWERVE. I'm going to use about a teaspoon because, again, you know I have my sweet tooth. So what you're going to do is warm your frying pan, your skillet, to a medium heat. Spray it with your favorite cooking spray. If you want to use a little bit of butter, you can. And you're going to just have a PYREX or whatever filled with some water, and you're going to soak your matzah for about 30 seconds, okay? While you do that, you're going to just crack your egg. Very easy. Add your milk. Add just about half a teaspoon of some vanilla. I'm putting in a little bit of some SWERVE. You can use some sugar. You can use a little bit of syrup, whatever you want, if you want it a little bit sweeter or not. And I make up my own cinnamon sugar, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on now. Just equal parts sugar and cinnamon. Okay, and you're just whisking it. Very easy, I'm telling you. People make such a fuss. It's not hard, honestly. I'm going to turn the camera around over here so you can see my oven. And now I'm just going to take my matzah, okay, shake it off and break it up and put it in your pan. Okay. I hope you can see it. And you're just going to mix it around and just let it get hot for a few seconds. Really easy. Don't forget your spatula. And just mix this up really, really well. Just like you're making scrambled eggs or an omelet, it's just very easy. And now you're just going to add it. I like to let it sit for a few seconds, let it all absorb into that yummy matzah that we love. And there's so many different kinds of matzahs out there. You can use whatever you like. If you like whole wheat matzah, you can use that. And again, this is for one person. But if you want to double it for yourself too, you can, of course. If you're really super hungry, you want it for a lunch meal or a dinner meal or any meal or a snack even. It's really good, okay? So I'm just going to mix it around. And it really takes only a few minutes to make as well. If you want, you could add some fruit to it and make it fruity. You could make it savory and add some onions to it. And mushrooms or vegetables would be delicious, and leave out the sweetness. I'm just going to show you. We're just stirring it around. And if you like it a little bit wet, so don't cook it too long. If you like it really crispy and dry, leave it on a little bit longer, okay? And you're just going to really love this meal. And you can have it, again, like I said, not just for Passover, but all year round. And just before I serve it, just sprinkle on a little bit more of my cinnamon sugar like that. And I put it on my plate, and I can add my favorite syrup. And if you're kosher for Passover, you can find whatever syrups that you like. You could add some whipped cream to it, whatever you like, and some fruit. I've just cut up some cantaloupe, and I'm going to enjoy mine and give some maybe to my husband. I might share it. So I hope you love this recipe, and wishing you guys a happy Passover. And don't forget to come visit me at Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips on Facebook, and keep those comments coming. I love them. Bye for now.